Hi, and welcome to Hord Studios. If you are new here, make sure to hit the like button now and comment down below. Today we are looking at presets settings. The presets tab lets you save and recall up to 12 collections of settings. This is very useful when one camera is used for multiple projects. For example, you may use your camera for a variety of different shoots, from documentaries to music videos, with very different settings between types of projects. Your camera's presets function lets you save the setup for a particular project or type of shoot, and come back to it quickly and easily when required. You have 12 preset slots to use. The button icons along the bottom of the preset menu correspond with the following functions. Add for adding the preset. Load and update for loading or updating the existing preset respectively. Manage to manage the presets, either exporting or importing function. And delete to delete the selected preset. 3D LUTs can be applied to images on your camera's LCD touchscreen and HDMI output. LUTs work by telling your camera what color and luminance output to show for a particular color and luminance input. For example, a LUT may tell your camera to display a vibrant, saturated blue when it receives a relatively dull blue input. This can be useful when shooting blackmagic raw footage, or using film dynamic range, both of which have been intentionally undersaturated. By applying a LUT, you can get an idea of what your footage will look like after it has been graded. The LUTs buttons at the bottom works more similar to the presets buttons. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and subscribe.